Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix two errors that most applicants are getting. First, you are standing too close to the camera, and second, your photo is blurred. Let's get started. Take a picture of your passport size photo that you got it from FedEx, Walmart or Staples by your cell phone. Now transfer that photo to your computer and crop it so that only the applicant is visible in the photo. Log in to your account on the Passport Seva portal and upload the image. Click Choose and select your photo. The first error you may get is that the dimensions of the photo are not correct. Now, open the photo in MS Paint. Set the dimensions to 630 by 810 pixels. Make sure to turn off Maintain Aspect Ratio. Save the picture as JPEG and upload it to the portal. The portal has been throwing document cannot be loaded errors for many applicants. Make sure your file size is within 250 kilobytes, saved as JPEG, and that the file name does not contain any special characters. Try to upload again. Now the system throws two errors related to ICAO standards. The first is that you are standing too close to the camera, and the second is that your photo is blurred. Let's go back and fix these two errors. First, change the background to white. Next, crop the image from all four corners so that 80 to 85% of the image shows your face. The standing too close to the camera error is basically a cropping issue. Keep going back and cropping the image so that your face is centered. If 80 to 85% doesn't work, then try 75 to 80% of the face in the photo. With trial and error, you will fix this error. Now set the ratio to 630 by 810 pixels and save it as JPEG. Upload the photo again to the portal. As you can see, we have fixed the first error. Now let's fix the second error. Open the image in an image editor by double-clicking the file. Click on the Edit button, then click Adjustment and adjust brightness, exposure, contrast, and sharpness. The blur error can be fixed by adjusting these parameters. If the image looks good, save it as JPEG and upload it to the portal, and hopefully the image will pass all the standards. Click on the View link to make sure that the correct image has been uploaded. And that's it. With little trial and error, you can easily fix the errors. If this video helped you, then please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. We post updated news on travel-related documents and news. Hope to see you in our next video. Till then, take care.